Hi everyone, my name is Danny Grondin from Leisure Travel Van Enthusiasts. Once again, I want to talk to you about my latest project. And this project was on my wish list since I first bought my Murphy bed back in 2014. I have a bad taste in my mouth since the initial delivery of my RV. When we first turned on the AC, it was atrocious. At first, I thought something was broken, but I was told that, those things make noises. And then we really had to live with it, but we avoid using it as much as we can. And we both agree that it's almost impossible to have a conversation while the AC is running. It's just too damn noisy. I'm pretty sure you experience the same thing. After a long run of the AC, you turn it off and, it's so quiet, it's so peaceful. There is other thing that I dislike about this kind of AC is the fact that we don't have a dehumidification mode. This is not a real problem when it's very hot outside because just running the AC will dehumidify the inside of the coach, but in late fall, when the temperature outside is pretty cold and the inside is wet, damp, and uncomfortable because it's raining outside, I had to find a workaround. So I used the furnace, the LP furnace, to heat up the inside of the RV, and then I shut it off and turned on the AC for a while, and then I switch back to the furnace and switch back to the AC so I can dehumidify the inside of the RV while maintaining acceptable temperature inside. It is quite annoying and inefficient in terms of power usage. Another thing that annoys me is the fact that there is no automatic mode that make the unit either use the AC or the heat pump to keep the inside at a chosen temperature. So if those AC are not the best, why does the RV manufacturer still use them on almost all RV made in North America? I think about Dometic, Penguin, and Coleman Mac AC. I think it's mostly due to their price and their partnership that runs since forever. So it's very hard to change something that is working for many years, and the lack of feature and also the fact of the noise and inefficiency is the last of their concern. To tell the truth, I was seeking an alternative for almost 10 years. I've contacted many manufacturers in North America, even in Australia and Europe, and there were so many technical issues that made the switch impossible. Then there were a buzz on the Leisure Travel Van Enthusiasts Facebook group. I think it started with a post by Tom Wessoff, something like that. If it's you, Tom, thank you very much. The buzz was about a new unit called the Atmos 4.4, promising a quiet alternative heat pump 15,000 BTU that fits most of our RV, efficient, and having all the characteristics I was looking for, like dehumidification, the automatic mode, having the ability to drive it via an app with a remote control. On paper, that unit was just perfect. So I talked with my wife and I decided to call Kevin Searer at SDG in Indiana and ask him to take an appointment to have the Atmos installed on my RV. I drove to Elkhart, Indiana for the installation, and I met Sandra Johnson there and Kevin's team. They are very welcoming and they have given us many information about what they do, what their history, and explaining the product to us. The installation was very smooth and the results are really game-changing.
Just where the gaskets are going.
Yep.
Means it gets closed. Right.
Yes, that looks great. Significant noise reduction is just amazing. Seriously, it feels like a new RV. The Atmos is very efficient, but it's still a 15,000 BTU unit. So like any 15,000 BTU out there that I know of, If you want to run this unit from your battery and inverter, you will need a soft start installed. Good thing that SDG can install it for you. They use the pretty good product called SoftStartRV. This little device is small and doesn't require any learning process to make its magic. This is an actual picture of the SoftStartRV. This little device is very efficient with the Atmos 4.4. It helps reduce dramatically the peak of current necessary to start the compressor. And for those that don't have a soft start and don't want to install or pay for installation of a soft start inside their AC, SoftStartRV makes external version that is somewhat bigger but more powerful. I didn't test it yet, but I will in the future. Is the Atmos a worthwhile upgrade? For us, there is no turning back. There is no question. It's almost a dream come true. It's efficient, quieter, easy to install. Over that, the service we received in Elkhart was extraordinary. I am not joking. Now let's test the Dometic sound pressure. It's pretty loud. Yeah, it's pretty loud. Okay, I will compare with the Atmos. It's not even on the same universe. It's very quiet. I'm on full blast. If I fan setting is now on the lowest. Medium fan setting. Full fan. It's very impressive. I'm very happy with my decision, and my wife is even happier than me. So if you have any question, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you very much, folks. Thank you.